Oh, oh, no, no. Why is everything falling? No, get out of the truck. Run, get out of here. No, you dropped the gimbal. Fail, run, drop the camera. Shit, I still got my, no. God, I got plenty of park. I don't even think no. We're trying off with something. No, no, try this, try it off. Why is this happening right now? How bad did it get? We got the camera wet. Hang on.
10 minutes before.
Yeah, we're next to a big hole. Hey guys, we're in Lumpkin, Georgia right now, and we're at Providence Canyon. It's a mushy big hole. What's it called?
The Little Grand Canyon.
Yeah, the Little Grand Canyon. So most time all you see is this, and then you see that. Isn't that awesome? It's crazy.
I dare you to jump down it.
Yeah. All that. Whole bunch of massive gullies.
It's like sand. It's like a mushy sand. I'll show you later.
Yeah, clay, Georgia clay and sand and everything else. We'll talk about it more when we get down there, but this is 150 feet deep. That is
a lot of little bitties.
That's 30 and a half little bitties. That's how we measure everything. 30 and a half little bitties. That's how
like
much it is.
Like,
yeah. And we're gonna be hiking all down through that.
and then he asked me if I wanted water. Doesn't put it in a cup holder. Makes a turn. And I'm at the camera between my legs and the gimbal and my butt soaked. My butt's wet and cold. It's torn. Look at this. Sorry, pretty track that we just got. We spilled water all over it.
So dumb. Woo! Canyon! So, this park is 1,003 acres. And it has, how many different colors of sand do you think it has? 50 shades?
Red.
You think it just has 50 shades?
No.
That's your answer?
Fine.
Okay. It's got 43. 43 colors. That's it. Yeah. You were close. 43 shades of sand. They got purple, yellow, white, red, orange, more red, and trees. Yeah.
Film it.
Check this out. Check this out. This is cool. Oh my. break that all the different colors in there. Isn't that cool? That's like, that's a rainbow, man. It's cool looking. There's just one piece too, just sitting like that and breaking it apart. How it's got all those different colors.
This looks like,
It's a workout.
you know what this looks like? Like the stuff you bake onion rings with.
What?
Stuff you bake onion rings with. Like
You know what that's called? That white stuff?
Batter?
Huh?
Batter?
No.
I don't.
It's Kayola. Say it with me. Kayola. Kayola. This white stuff.
Like mushy hands.
This white stuff is what they use in kitty litter and Pepto-Bismol.
And onion rings.
And onion rings.
Exactly. It's hot. We've looked at cars. We're almost out of memory card and batteries. So we're gonna head back, go get some grub, go eat some apples and fruits and re-energize, and then head back to Panama City Beach.
I go to war, I'll fight for you. Even when I've left, I do right by you. I'll be your everything, your blue sky.